Comment. I'm giving you all comment. For you, I'm going crazy just Hey. Hello Khasi people, Megalia Kumnopilong Paralog, welcome back again guys. So today we have one suggested music video guys. So this guy asked me here to check his music video guys. I think he has something he want to reveal his talent guys. So I don't know much about him and it's gonna be my first time checking him out. He's a Khasi Megalian only guys. So he has a new music video by the title called RADDIAP. It's not RADDIAP. Is it the music title or just the name? I don't know. But written RADDIAP. So singer is ELANSON SUTING. Okay? Okay. The singer is ELANSON. Okay? So meaning the song title is RADDIAP guys. You can also tell me what it means by RADDIAP. Let's check this brother out here guys and let's see guys how you can also let me know guys, like it's me unveiling to you guys because this guy here like maybe it's not yet known there out in the music industry of Meghalaya. So if this song is only in Khasi language or Meghalayan language, you can help me out guys. Together we can rate and know how talented is he. So support him also guys, and don't forget, join the African Family channel and let's go. So we'll check him out guys. Yeah, the song title is RADDIAP. Singer ELANSON SUTING. You can tell me what does it mean by RADDIAP. Okay bro, tell us what's popping. Okay, the girl is coming out here. Hey bro, the girl just came straight and touched you. Who directed you? Or is that a dream? Tang Mapi is like my dog. I've been checking you all in Instagram and Facebook. Just comment. Comment. I'm giving you all comment. Oh. For you, I'm going crazy just Hey. Tang Mapi. I love the beat. I love the beat guys. Lap mga Tang Mapi. Tang mga lang mga Why is
Tang lestai pitiak lasyu jibenya kapen ki baong na pi bala jikar blem jihun nga bong kupi dakaratia jihun nga bong kupi dakaratia tang shu tia kwa no en shai ba ben et jing pos neur ngai yu ba ba kum non mut bien ai yu ba ba kum non mut bien ai nulan mundur bong ya wat
okay, this is the singer here.
Good bro.
You're going well bro. You have a bright future. You sound so confident. Oh my gosh, the lady came to your house. It's done. Okay guys, that was it. Okay, So I'm gonna say what I love about this song, though subtitle wasn't there, but it's fine. Okay, no problem. So what I love, first of all, the beat, guys. I love this music beat. Like, sounds so good, so energetic. And coming to the singer, the music singer, guys, the music singer by the name Elanson Suiting, bro. Honestly, you sound so, like, so confident. They can say like that. I can see that confident in you, bro. How do you say confident in Khasi language? You look so confident from your sound also. Like, you're so confident of what you're doing. Like, I feel the talent in your sound only, guys. And another thing, like, okay, coming overall to the music video, guys. Okay, like, some people might say, okay, coming to the quality, no problem with that. Quality is, it's not like as expected, but it's always good to show your talent. It's always good to start. Never mind, like, what, like, for example, right? For example, some singers, they always dream to make their music so quality, so beautiful, and so amazing. So, but it's not easy making a music video, right? Because you need a lot of budget, you need to spend, you need a videographer. Like this, it all need money, paisa, right? But it's good always to show your talent with the less that you can make it. So it's good. I see that the love you have for the music, you're trying to showcase with the video. With the I don't care whatever the budget you did for this video. I don't care about it, but it's just good to see you trying and doing what you love, guys. Honestly, it's fine, and I'm wishing you all the best. Just keep doing, guys. Keep inspiring, for sure. There is people, they also want to laugh, to listen to you instead of watching sometime, no problem if they didn't watch, but you're singing good, that's enough. It's always good to sing. If you sing good, that is what is important. And wishing you all the best, guys, and thank you. And whoever is watching, guys, you can tell me, you can briefly explain to me what was this music like describing. I know it's a love song, guys, but the director, I don't know who directed this song, because, like, it's kind of a love song where the boy is expressing for the girl. But anyway, I think they directed by themselves. But all the best, love from Africa. Till next time.